Hello and welcome back. I'm Alicia. This week's video is a small, hard-working, multifunctioning space. It's laundry, pantry, and utility all in one. This was my original thrifty solution. Dollar Tree red bins, IKEA stationary brackets and shelves in one half of the room, and in the other half I installed adjustable shelving. Needless to say, I could not see in, so I tagged all the bins. Inside the cabinet were a couple more bins, but the space had turned into a collect-all. It had items stored here that needed to be in other spaces. It was time for a fresh reset. That meant clearing everything out, purging, trash or donate, and sort what remained. So here I found some space to sit down, go through those bins, and sort everything out. At the end of the sort, I ended with 6 bins or 6 collections, and I'll show you a few examples. I had a light bulb bin, a zip tie and extension cord bin, replacement parts and repair part bin. I also ended with a home maintenance bin, and this bin kind of has all the essentials necessary for a homeowner. Things such as a tape measure, screwdriver, furniture gliders, picture hanging, command hooks, like I said, all the essentials. A paint bin that has paint supplies and tools, a drill bin which has a rechargeable small drill and drill bits and other accessories. As you can see, the quality of the red bins is not the best. I'll be transferring these items into a sturdier collection of storage bins. So back to the space, I turned my attention to the two cabinets. One is a double cabinet, the other is a single cabinet. They're located over the washer and dryer. I decided to use the leftover peel and stick wallpaper from my powder room makeover, which I will try to link in the description. In the single cabinet, I got ahead of myself and trimmed the paper before I flattened it out. I ended up cutting it too short and having to patch it. Oops. Opposite the cabinets, I've adjusted the metal shelving for the new layout. I've added two smaller shelves directly behind the hot water heater. I've also topped the wire shelves with laminate particle board to give me a flat, level, stable surface and to prevent anything from falling through. As we turn back around, you see the new metal bins I selected and the wooden crates. I'm still working through how I want this side of the space to function and how I want the layout. This is the finished storage unit designed to hang on doors. I use it as pantry space. It's also metal and adjustable. Walking inside, you see the final and finished layout of the pantry, laundry, and utility room. Both the metal bins and crates have slats or cutouts that allow me to see what's inside easily and conveniently without pulling each one down and inspecting its contents for what I'm looking for. As I open the cabinets, the first thing that I immediately notice is the wallpaper and that everything appears neat and organized. I've also added two smaller storage bins to the inside of the cabinet. In those bins, they are divided into smaller segments or compartments. In this bin, I further separated laundry items, my home dry cleaning items, and garment bags for delicate washing. In the second identical bin, I have my countertop maintenance items, my furniture maintenance items, and my most commonly needed household tool, the screwdriver. This blue caddy contains dusting attachment tools and cleaning cloths. In this single cabinet, there is more laundry items and a small drying octopus. As we turn to the other side of this small space, I've used this shelving for small appliances and storage of other canned goods. I've utilized more metal bins for food storage. Here you can see that these bins are used for our snack items. As we turn back into the space, I've added other useful items such as a wall-mounted utility holder for things such as a broom, dustpan, and other push or stick household tools, and a metal rod to allow clothing items to air dry. At the end, this is all the items that I was able to trash and donate. Thanks again for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.